Lily and the Lost Balloon. Lily is a little girl. She has a red balloon. One sunny morning, Lily goes to the park with her mother. She is very happy. Lily runs and plays. She laughs and jumps. Suddenly, the wind blows. "Oh no!" says Lily. Her red balloon flies into the sky. Lily feels sad. She looks at the balloon. Then a small brown dog runs to her. The dog has something in its mouth. It is another balloon. The balloon is blue. The dog gives the balloon to Lily. Lily smiles. "Thank you," she says. The dog wags its tail. Lily plays with her new balloon. She is happy again. It is a beautiful day in the park.